LCIF is equivalent to smart national strategy because fewer sick people is equivalent to lower government spending. Pag konti ang may sakit, pag marami ang gumagawa ng LCIF, ibig sabihin konti ang magkakasakit. Pag konti ang magkakasakit, konti ang paglalagakan ng budget para sa sakit. So, bababa ang government spending sa sakit. Lower spending, lower government spending would mean, or it is equivalent to lower tax burden. Bababa yung taxes natin unless kupalin tayo ng mga nakaupo. Pero supposedly, bababa siya. Pag bumaba yung taxes, that would mean, or that's equivalent to more take-home pay and stronger purchasing power. Meaning, mas marami ang neto na mauuwi ng mga manggagawa at mas marami, meaning mas marami o mas magiging malakas ang purchasing power or yung pambili natin. Nang for example, pagkain. Gusto mong gawin yung LCIF, 6,000 pesos, around 6,000 pesos or less, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng 20 kilos ng beef at 30 tray ng 30 eggs. Something like that. So, LCIF is not just a health issue. It is a national financial strategy. Hence, I said, magkapatid, magkakonekta ang personal wellness and personal finance. Now, what do I recommend? Use part of the other budgets, education, some of the education budget, total information naman ng LCIF, or probably, and mas dapat, ika nga ni Senator Lacson, dapat wala na ang pork barrel. So kung tatanggalin ang pork barrel o babawasan man lang ang pork barrel, it could be used to launch a national LCIF campaign through barangays, public school, and state media, no, like PTV4, Presidential Communications Office, etc., etc., yung mga state media. Okay? Educate the public on real prevention, not just pill-based maintenance. So, yun yung recommendation ko. Konti lang naman na budget. Gawa lang tayo ng TV show. Gawa lang tayo ng social media campaign. Konting budget lang yon, konting kurot lang sa pork barrel yon, konting kurot lang sa education budget yon. And then we will save what? As a financial planner, for example, ang cost niyan is about, sabi mo ng 1 million pesos per year. I think that's enough.